Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want to make your notes and documents stand out in Notion? In this tutorial, I'll show you the absolute easiest way to increase the font size in your Notion workspace. Whether you're looking to emphasize a headline, highlight a key part of your meeting notes, or just want your text to be more readable, you'll know exactly how to do it after watching this video. Alright, let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to be inside your Notion workspace. If you've already got Notion open, great. If not, just head over and log in. Your Notion workspace is essentially your digital desk where all your documents and ideas come together. This is where you can organize, customize, and really make things your own. Now let's type out a sentence. Feel free to use any example or phrase you like, maybe meeting agenda, or even your favorite motivational quote. For today, I'll type "Welcome to my Notion page" as our example. This simple text will help us see how adjusting font size can transform the feel of a single sentence. To change the font size, all you need to do is select the text you want to adjust. You can do this by clicking and dragging with your mouse, or if you're on a touchpad, just hold down and swipe across your words. Selecting text in Notion is a lot like picking out pieces of a puzzle you want to highlight. You're telling Notion, hey, this is the part I want to change. Once your text is selected, you'll probably see it highlighted in a different color. Look for the formatting options, usually right above or beside your text. Here where the magic happens. You'll see various choices including headings labeled as H1, H2, and H3. These stand for Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3, and they don't just style your text. They actually change the font size. Let's break down why this is important. H1 is the largest available heading in Notion. If you want text to really grab attention, think of the main title on a web page or the big chapter heading in a book. H1 is your go-to. H2 is a bit smaller, perfect for subheadings or sections. H3 is even more subtle, useful for smaller titles within your pages. Each one acts like a megaphone, boosting the volume of your text, which can be super helpful if you want certain information to stand out or just make your notes more legible. Now, as you click on H1, watch how your sentence instantly becomes bolder and much larger. It's a quick transformation, but it can really change the dynamics of your page. Don't worry if you're not sure which to pick. You can easily try each heading and see how it looks. If it's too big, swap to H2 or H3. The idea is to experiment and find what works for your specific notes or documents. And if you want to return to normal text, you can simply select text or paragraph to revert the formatting. I encourage you to try this out with different sections of your workspace. You'll notice how larger fonts can create a clear visual hierarchy, making your Notion pages not only better organized, but much easier to navigate, just like reading a well-designed magazine. Remember, changing font size isn't just about style, it's also about clarity and effective communication. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment if you have any questions, or if there's something else in Notion you'd like to learn. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss another simple, practical tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.